Canned foam is a durable option for air sealing at pipes and penetrations. Here's an overview. Using proper safety gear, shake the can for 30 seconds and attach the application straw. With the can inverted, do a practice run to test the flow. To control flow, just increase or decrease pressure on the trigger. Always select a foam based on the gap in application. Here we're using Loctite TITE FOAM gaps and cracks. The goal is to create a complete seal around the pipe without the need to overfill, as the foam will expand up to 50%. In dry conditions, lightly mist with water to speed up curing. When applying near finished surfaces, masking the work area keeps the job neat. Fully expanded, fully cured foam can be cut flush with the surface and sanded if desired. Although TITE FOAM is UV resistant and doesn't require added protection, it can be painted to blend in with finished surfaces.